Located in Germany, Hohenzollern Castle is a stunning architectural masterpiece that attracts tourists from around the world. Perched on a hilltop, this castle offers breathtaking views of the surrounding landscape and provides visitors with a glimpse into the rich history of the Hohenzollern dynasty. Whether you're a tourist looking to document your visit or a travel enthusiast wanting to showcase the grandeur of a castle, drone photography offers a spectacular way to capture its beauty from above. The castle's picturesque setting also makes it a popular destination for nature lovers and photography enthusiasts. Surrounded by lush greenery and rolling hills, Hohenzollern Castle provides ample opportunities for capturing stunning panoramic views of the German countryside. Whether you are an avid traveler or simply looking to experience a piece of history, visiting Hohenzollern Castle promises an unforgettable experience. Its blend of architectural splendor, breathtaking landscapes, and cultural significance make it a top attraction for both locals and tourists alike.